Hello ladies and gentlemen, it's Mike here at Gamefromscratch, and today we have another humble bundle of interest to game developers. This one is the Best of Synty #4 game dev assets. Yeah, this is from Synty, the low polygon asset creator. You probably know their work already. It is high quality, but definitely low poly. If you're not into low poly, this bundle is not for you. As you can see, there are 18 items in total for $30 USD, or the median price tier with 9 items, or the $1 tier with 3 items. Actually, it might be that all 3 tiers are genuinely useful this time, which is kind of rare, because normally they make this one pretty small in terms of the amount of content in it, whereas this time it's half of the bundle. So it could be that the median price tier actually makes sense. By the way, there is no longer a slider to support Gamefromscratch, but if you do use my link, it does help me out, and thank you so very much if you do. Now, the Synty stuff here is advertised as being for Unity and Unreal Engine, but as we will see in just a little bit, you can use it in basically any game engine ever, because you actually get these source assets here. So you often get FBX or OBJ file formats for each one of these assets. And now let's just jump through and take a look at things. We're going to start from this tier and move on up. So the first thing we have here is the particle effects pack. This one is again, a number of different particle systems available. Now, interestingly enough, this one is marked as for being Unity only, which is kind of an interesting approach in this, because I think that's the only case in this bundle. So it's a number of animations and UI things and so on for doing particle systems in a low poly style. Then we have the Polygon werewolf. So this is a werewolf. You can see the results of it right there. Then we've got the simple office. Now, the simple stuff is lower poly than their other stuff, so you get an idea. Again, it's just a little bit lower polygon count, so it's just a different approach. So if you're doing a mobile game, could be a good fit from the art style. Then we have the Polygon dog pack. So if you want a bunch of dogs, well, that's what this pack is all about, including some cyber dogs from the future. So, by the way, the environment and humanoids are not included, so you're only getting the dogs, but there are a variety of dogs in this pack. Then we've got the animation-based locomotion pack. This is actually kind of interesting. It's a wide variety of animations and character controllers for your library. This one is also showing as Unity only, which is interesting. So you've got like walk animations, crawling, jumping, and so on. A bunch of different animations in this particular pack. And then there's also both masculine and feminine figures included as well. And then we've got the Polygon construction pack. So if you want to have a construction site, what you see here is what you're getting. So again, if you're creating basically any kind of world, you can work with these packs. And then we've got the cartoon asset simple people. Again, lower poly versions of graphics. Again, if you're doing a mobile title, might be a better fit. Then we've got the temples simple as well. So again, Synty has a very distinctive art style. This reminds me of what, monumental something or other. And then we've got simple port cartoon assets. So again, boats and ships and so on at a harbor. And then we have Dungeon Realms. This is the big dollar item on this pack right now. So it's like $200 you're paying here normally. And this is for this kind of environment. So if you've got, you know, a Mordor-esque kind of setting, that is what is in this pack, one of the bigger packs in this asset library. And again, one of the newer ones. Here we got another big ticket item one here. This is the kids pack. So a variety of, you know, basically Goonies type stuff, a variety of kids doing kid things. Then we've got the interface sci-fi HUD. Again, Unity only. So there's more Unity only than I was expecting to be here. And then you see all the stuff you need to create sci-fi style HUD. I do imagine that even though it's preset up for Unity, you could use that in whatever engine you wished. And then we've got the Polygon Meadow Forest Nature Biome. So a number of trees and swamps and foliage and Stargate. Was not expecting that one. So a little bit cheaper of an item there, but again, very useful kind of thing. Then we got simple space cartoon assets. So if you're doing space type thing, again, lower poly style stuff for space, number of rockets, space shuttles, and so on. And then we have cartoon assets. Simple space. Okay, I opened that one up twice somehow. Simple airport cartoon assets. So here you can see airport environment like so. So we got a bunch of fighter jets and helicopters and cargo planes and so on. And then we've got the simple space characters pack like so. And then finally, this is how they redeem. So this is the Synty Asset Store. All these things will be redeemed with a key on the Synty Store. So once you have redeemed them, here, this one isn't necessarily from the pack, but they're all set up like this. So what you get, as long as it's not just Unity only, is you get a Unity, this will be a Unity asset package, an asset package that you can import into your project, or you get an Unreal Engine project file, which you can import directly, or you get the source files, which is even cooler. So if you're using, say, Godot or Flax or Default or any other kind of game engine out there, you can generally use this stuff quite easily by using these source files as well. So ladies and gentlemen, that is the bundle. The other thing that I did not directly mention, I rarely focus on this stuff much, there is a $10 off discount coupon thrown in there as well. So I think that's why I had that double simple one as I opened this one up by accident. So there is this voucher here. So you're seeing in terms of packs, the cool thing here is most of this stuff seems to be new. I don't really have any of these assets for the most part. So it's not duplication from previous bundles. So you probably can pick some new stuff up here. Again, the big ticket items are definitely these two new packs, the Kids pack and the Dungeon Realms pack there. You can see, again, by the price tags, those are two biggies for sure. A bunch of the simple stuff, the lower polygon stuff as well, and then the Biomes pack in there, Construction pack for the full-size stuff, the Werewolf, and then a couple of other asset packs in there as well. So ladies and gentlemen, that is Best of Synty number 4. Again, the nice thing here is generally it's new assets, and they do play well with pretty much every game engine out there. So let me know what you think of this bundle. And again, if you do use my link, it does help support me, so I appreciate that very much. All right, that's it. I will talk to you all later. Goodbye.